Welcome, today in front of me Nokia G11 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So let's just first open the Gmail application, and after that tap on the right upper corner. Now we can see that you are logging into into two accounts, and now just to log out from one from these accounts in Gmail, we should log out from the one from these accounts in Google account settings on our device. So how we can do that? We should click to manage accounts on this device, and after that let's select, for example, the second Gmail account. Click here to remove account and confirm your action by click to remove account again. And now we can see that in Google account settings we stay only with one Gmail app, account. So let's just go back to the application, and here we can check and see that we just successfully log out from the Gmail account in our Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.